Today I'm introducing SEWPRO 1765. It's a double needle walking foot, split needle bar with a center guide, and it takes M-size bobbin, cap style bobbin cases, and machine equipped with HoHsing motor, 110 volt, needle positioning, air foot lift, air reverse, automatic back tack on demand. You can turn it on and off. And the split needle bar is very unique feature. When you do top stitching on the leather, if you want to do like 90 degree, you can cancel one inside needle and turn it. It takes skills to do, but this machine makes it possible. Also, this machine has a stitch length up to 9 millimeter in length, which is very unique for this kind of machine. Most of the machines can probably do 6, 7 millimeter. This machine can do up to 8 millimeter in stitch length. And you cancel one needle, and left needle will stay up. If you cancel right needle, it locks this needle back, and this right needle will stay up.